All right. So I'm doing my usual, walking around with parts in my hand. Got to work on the compressor.
Still working on the compressor.
Still working on it. Gibby's been working on it still. You can kind of see a little bit of a dent there.
Are we putting this one on the back then?
Put that one on the back.
Okay.
And we got the really nice one for the front. But this came out good.
Yeah,
Dave did a pretty good job of cleaning it. So
yes, right.
Yeah, you
there.
can see it right there, kind of. So press that down. Don't press so hard. You crack the chrome, but I don't think you will. It looks like good chrome anyway. Pretty good chrome.
Yeah.
Press that out and put it on. And then when the back of this is close.
Yeah.
Oh, and we need to put the welting in.
Yes, that's Dave and Eddie's job. I'm not a welder.
Dave and Eddie.
You'll do as you're told, mister.
No, we use the most efficient people for the job there. So, yeah, we get the back of this on. And then here comes Fast Eddie. Gibby just informed me that welting is a Dave and Eddie job. Is that right?
A what?
A Dave and Eddie job for welting.
Welting? We're scared to do it.
Oh.
I have all the welting somewhere
We
for
got
this.
the welder.
Oh, okay.
We ain't got the welding.
So we can tighten up the back.
We can do it. I ain't scared of it. Are you scared of it, Eddie? No.
And then you're
I've done it before.
Cleaning up the
You're
dash.
getting the
so we get
dash
the window
cleaned
in,
up.
The vent in.
get the vent in, start putting parts together and have
There was
less
a rubber
parts.
for that someplace.
I got it.
You got it?
It should be in there. I think I set it back in there.
Okay.
Parts on instead of parts everywhere.
Right.
I like it.
Parts back on for the last time.
Did you get another coat on the valve covers?
No, we're at, I didn't know if I should order a can from R&E or if you were going to go somewhere else to get a can of flat black or semi-gloss.
Semi-gloss. I'll go grab some. I'm going now as I'm looking for
I
parts
got
for
tape
the.
ordered for us, so we got some tape coming.
All right.
I don't know if they're going to show us this morning, this afternoon, or tomorrow.
Very good. Let's keep pushing this one forward because I'm fixing to aim at the other couples. I think we got parts coming in for the rest of the three that need to go out.
Yeah.
Get them gone.
Woo-hoo.
Move ahead. So you the little gasket maker?
Yeah.
Did you make them?
Yeah. Out of this stuff Eddie had.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
if you want to pick, oh, you got recording.
I want to do what?
Pick that side up and let's
While I'm recording?
keep hitting it.
So I got to put my wrinkled stuff down. Actually, the wrinkled stuff is for the covers for the.
Okay, nice
the covers.
and easy.
Yeah. So okay, don't scratch it, huh? Oh wait, this is gonna take two hands. We're gonna have to bend that in there.
Let me
So
get mine
you
started.
can kind of see that's pretty straight. We want that bent around a little bit. So figure out. This is the one you put the press on.
Yeah, and we're gonna do it another way. I know too, without a press.
All right. Well, we're gonna make it work. Okay. So we did the two-handed, kind of bent it on there.
Yeah.
Got some bolts. We need to get some better bolts for the back here. That's all we had for carriage bolts. We'll have to get some good chrome ones. But we can change them out one at a time. That'll work. That looks pretty darn good. It's not tightened yet, so we can level it up a little bit. But rear bumper on. All right. Serious study in here.
We're thinking the spring goes on this arm, because this goes up and down.
Mm-hmm.
But the way that that's bent, it doesn't want to
You
connect.
don't want to go around that brass.
Unless it goes on there different.
Brass
It
part.
ain't even, it ain't big enough to go on.
No, it's not, is it?
Do I need to think about it, or you guys got it figured out?
Well,
What'd you do?
we're guessing that spring wasn't hooked up when I took this apart.
Okay.
So I'm trying to figure out if that spring goes to this arm.
Oh, what I would think is, if you want to do anything, you want a spring to hold it tight,
Yeah.
To hold it down.
to hold it down.
Yeah.
So,
So that's what it'll do, it hold it in that position. Well, you know what, that's your down position. Seems like that would help pull it up. I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know if that spring goes to that.
I don't either.
We just seen it hanging in there and we're trying to figure out where it goes.
well, we're finding all kinds of cool parts. We did find the parts that go right here. You found both sides, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're gonna paint those.
No, I done got some pieces covered.
Are you gonna cover them?
He's got
yeah.
some pieces made
Yeah.
that are covered already.
Oh, so we're not even gonna use them. Well, there you
You
go.
don't
If
have
somebody
to-
got an old 34 and they're missing these pieces, I know where you can buy some.
There you go.
I'm not going to say cheap either. They belong to Mike.
I just don't understand the spring, though, the concept of that. Just
A lot of times, it actually, when it pulls tight, the lever kind of pulls past a pivot point and pulls it down tight and pushes it up.
well,
So
if I hook it on there, it's gonna help. Let's just see if I can get it hooked. I don't think it's made for this, tell you the truth. The way it's that opening's just not big enough.
well, when we
for that
figure it out,
hook.
we'll let you all know what it does.
I wonder if we did.
Oh, maybe, yeah. I like what I'm seeing here, but I don't understand the tape.
Oh, well, hold it in place. I've got to do a little modifying on the hinge up here.
Oh, so it don't fit.
Somebody had a chopping axe up in here.
Oh, okay.
And see, there's a piece sticking down here, and I can't get the windshield to go that way far enough.
So you're gonna,
Yeah, so I'm going to
Modify.
take this out and cut that little piece off right there, and I'm going to have to slot these holes where it'll go that way more. It's
that away. So the tape is just to hold the window in place while you make it where it goes.
yes.
So that makes me feel much better. When I came up and I seen it taped up, I'm like, oh no.
I did track it and try to patch it. Anyway, the whole
Get a little better
windshield,
view here.
whole windshield got to go that way because this isn't lining up. You got about a 1/4 inch gap over there, and maybe just about an 1/8 over here.
Yeah. So that was.
Yeah, and then
This is what it's supposed to look like. That's what it
yeah, somebody
hacked and
took a
whacked.
chopping axe to it. Yeah. And, anyway, and see, then we got that. There's slots there, but it's that way as far as it can go. See, that's the end of the slot right there. So I'm going to have to slot these a little more where I can get more movement towards the passenger side.
So this one's on.
Yeah. But it's over as far as it goes too, because I got to do both of them that way.
Well, we're closer.
Yeah, closer.
Yeah, I like that.
Just hot rodding, you got to do a little modifying.
Yeah, it's hot rodding, modifying. Yeah, I like that. I like that though.
Yeah,
We're seeing glass in there. That's a major deal. Dave's a professional painter.
with the
knocking
crack
it
on the
out.
paint.
But it's actually,
I like it. I think it's gonna look good on there. It looks factory.
yeah, it does. It looks factory.
I agree. Gives you a little bit of texture that you need.
That we need to have.
Yes.
What's it called? Wrinkle paint?
Wrinkle.
Wrinkle. But that it had that texture,
And my can's finally spraying good. It did not want to spray earlier.
and we drilled some holes. So these are the V8 emblems that are going to go in there. So this is going to be the Chevy Ford V8
This is the converted Corvette.
converted Corvette.
Look at
So
that.
hit that, let it kind of
Look at that. It's looking good, ain't it?
texture off, and
How's that looking? A lot better.
yeah.
It dusted a little bit.
Once
And
it
there's
dries,
something
it's
good.
all
I
one
think we're gonna
color.
be all right. We're
It's
gonna
a
go
flat
with
color.
that. We're going with it.
I like that. So it's about ready to go into the booth. Is it not? The car?
We need to look at the three on this one. So I get one off the front. I'll get the tires on. I got
Okay.
two back here.
So we got the window in. It looks like it's in.
Me and Eddie got the window in. Got it adjusted the best
Cranks
we can
out?
do. No, we need to get some screws in here.
Oh, for the
We,
crank?
We're working on getting some screws.
Okay.
It's going to be very hard to get to the heads of the screw. If you use a straight screw or Phillips, you can't get a driver on it. You almost need something with a nut head on it so you can get a wrench on it.
Well, it'll
Because
figure it
it's
out.
I'll show you. When this comes out,
Oh, come on. That'll be no problem.
and then when this goes up,
Yeah.
and that goes on that, you have no room to get nothing in here. This is blocking you. So
Oh, no problem.
yeah. Well, we'll get it.
Make a tool. I've actually got some screwdrivers that are a Phillips and a straight that are on a just about that long and bent over on each end.
You know,
You
me and Eddie can't do it. It can't be done.
yeah, probably. All right, so get some lugs. We can push it in the booth.
We'll get this in the booth.
Paint what we need painted up in the front.
We'll get that all dialed in.
Detail this puppy up, and then I'm going to start kind of cleaning up the wires here, get stuff put back
Get a
together.
little organization on it. Figure out what's what.
Yep. Oh, we're going to have to make some kind of a something.
I took the air conditioning dryer off so I can
Mhm.
work up there. So we'll get all that reassembled. Are we missing something for the valve covers? For them covers?
No, they just snap on.
No, that's missing something. All day, Mike Zimmerman.
Okay, so we're close. It's gonna look like that. but we want it just a little better. It's kind of making the textured plastic
Look like
look
textured
like
plastic.
textured. It's got a little funky here, so we're going to try one more time.
I think the third time will. All right.
Will be the charm. It'll look.
This is the fourth. This will be the fourth.
Yeah.
Ow!
But that'll look good. If you when you open that up, that'll look good
That
down
will.
in there.
Yes, it
It changes up the look of the motor for sure. And Phantom Pete is in the booth for the last time. Cleaning up some of the just the frame and all that. Then wash up the motor and we'll get this thing put together here.
Hey, we're working on it real hard. Oh, windshield.
Yeah. I'm ready to get back on some of the other ones. You're in the body shop. That's the body man I just talked to. That wouldn't hurt your feelings, would it?
No.
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 Wouldn't hurt my feelings.
All right. This looks like a project.
Yeah, project.
So it's the door, obviously.
Yeah.
Some old parts. So this is old parts and new parts.
Yep.
Did you get the new parts? Yet?
Yeah, I got them over here. That'll be nice. It'll make it a lot better.
Oh, so we got
We
okay.
got
Oh
those.
man.
Yeah, the guide, got everything. Here's the other part of the guide, and we got the fuzzies, and we will figure out where all this stuff goes eventually.
Well, good. This is instructions even.
Yeah,
With pictures.
Instructions with
Give me
pictures.
a like that.
Yeah, I can't read very good, so pictures
I
always
think pictures
work
are
for me.
good.
No.
Yeah, the car's in the booth,
Yeah.
and Dave's kind of cleaning up that front end.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, we
Oh.
got a good. Yeah, see, we got a whole new regulators, window regulators.
So it's all new.
All new.
It'll
Yeah.
all be new.
Looks like somebody had taken and kind of reworked these though. They're all clean and it's like they work. I don't think I work very good with that in there, but anyway.
So we're going with the new one.
Yeah, I see this. These ain't very good anymore. That's for sure.
No, so they got these on here. Yep, they're already on. You don't have to
that's
add them on.
already on. Yeah,
Yep.
pretty nice.
So I may just keep track of how we're working, getting this together.
Yeah.
We'll have. Oh, did we have the trimmer on this?
Well, should have. Because I had it when I made the door panels.
Okay.
So I figured out how far to go up, so they must be up there.
Yep. So we got them somewhere. I don't remember them being painted.
No. Now I covered the back ones, but I was looking this morning. I can't find any more material. But
Well, this will look good painted anyway.
yeah, I think they need to be painted.
Yeah. So I better go find those and get on
Also,
that.
Got the old glasses. Got the old glasses that come out of here.
No, there wasn't no glass.
It wasn't.
No.
Well, the problem is, you see, you got a track that goes on the window, which also has a slider track that goes on these.
Oh.
Yeah. I ain't come up with them yet. I rooted around some, but
Well, let me root around and see if I can find a glass.
glass.
I don't think we had the glass. Didn't have
See,
glass.
we ordered them, so we didn't send them nowhere to have them made. So maybe they're up there.
Hopefully, I'll look.
Okay.
I don't remember seeing them. I'm on the parts hunt. That's what's next.
Yeah.
It's the parts hunt. Well, the fan is on. Dave's pounding on something, making a lot of noise, but there's an awful lot of masking going on here just to not get overspray over everything. So we're going to touch up the last of it, and then this chunk is painted.
Good to go.
And we can clean up the motor and start putting stuff back together here. So that'll be good. We got the covers, the motor covers. Kind of looking like an old Ford emblem. They were Corvette, and we did. Well, we've put all the effort we're going to put in. We could make it a lot better, but man, time is money, and I think we've put all the time into this. We're going to, but it'll look pretty good on the motor. Much better than saying Corvette across there, and it was just, you can kind of see it was actually in the plastic. So we've got all the emblems on now, and as soon as that body's painted, we clean up the motor and we can start putting it together.
Caught me snacking.
Got you snacking. So I'm not a good mathematician, but if 1934 and this is 2025, this is looking like a 91-year-old thing. Is that right?
Well, somewhere in there. If you have one of these old cars, keep that
EV
handy.
blaster.
Yeah.
So it wasn't working so hot, huh?
No,
But now it is.
yeah, I got her.
So you got the outside door handle and you got your inside door handle. So I had to take that apart out of the door and get it working.
Then I'm gonna put some white lithium grease down in it, make sure it stays that way. Just gotta work it, son.
And part of the problem
I've
on
seen
this,
worse.
yeah, being a barn find that was taken apart.
Yeah.
I mean, it came in boxes
Yeah,
and
it was
crates.
just in pieces and we got it. Yeah.
So finding all the old parts now is just part of the deal.
Yeah. Now, of course, I'll find stuff like that, but I make a rat rod.
Yeah,
You don't have to
exactly.
do all this, but,
So
anyway,
that's getting there.
yeah.
So I need to go look for some parts though,
Yeah.
and hopefully we got them
They've
Somewhere.
got to be here somewhere.
somewhere. Everything's somewhere.
Yeah.